Holding the line, how a pizza GM took her power back. It's 7:45 a.m. Tina, the 29-year-old general manager of FirePie Pizza, unlocks the store. Her eyes are heavy and she's chugging a reheated Red Bull. She's been pulling doubles for 3 weeks straight. A cook quit, a driver walked out, and her assistant manager is on medical leave. She flips on the lights. The dough prep wasn't done. Again, Tina slams her clipboard on the counter.
I'll just do it myself.
She's texting supply orders, prepping dough, and checking schedules all before 9 a.m. Her smartwatch buzzes. Heart rate at 111 beats per minute. She ignores it again. Later that day, her regional manager, Marcus, drops by unexpectedly. Marcus.
You look fried.
I'm fine.
She lies.
Just a rough week.
It's been a rough month, Tina.
She brushes him off with a nod, but that night, alone in the back room, she breaks down for the first time in years, crying into a stack of unpaid invoices and sticky post-it notes that say things like, "Don't forget birthdays," and "Fix fryer." That weekend, Tina reads a blog her shift lead Bryce shared. Leaders who burn out don't serve anyone. It hits too close. The post ends with step 1, prioritize self-care. Manage stress before it manages you. Tina sighs. She's not into fluffy advice, but she writes one thing on the whiteboard in the break room.
If I go down, this whole store goes with me. I'm starting with me.
She does something radical. She marks herself off the schedule for 2 days. No one dies. The store runs, imperfectly, but it runs. She sleeps. She eats. She thinks about the last time she felt happy at work.
It's been a minute.
She admits. Monday, 10:14 a.m. Tina's sitting in her car before walking into the store. She downloads a 5-minute breathing app Bryce recommended. It feels really dumb, but she tries it anyway. The voice says, "Notice your breath. Let go of the urgency." Her chest loosens just a bit. Later, in a rush hour nightmare, instead of yelling when the screen goes down, she pauses. She takes 2 breaths. She says with authority,
Okay, let's go analog for a bit.
Her team looks stunned. Then they follow her lead. After the rush, Bryce pulls her aside.
You're different today.
Don't get used to it. But yeah, I'm trying something new.
One night, Tina leaves at 7 p.m. voluntarily. She goes home and pulls out her guitar, untouched since her assistant manager training 5 years ago. She plays for 2 hours. She laughs. She doesn't check her phone once. The next day, she brings her guitar into the store early and jams before opening. Danica, a delivery driver, joins in with beatboxing. Badly. But it becomes a weekly thing. The FirePie jam sessions. Customers start noticing. This store feels different. Eventually, Tina sits down with Marcus, not for a performance review, but for a real talk.
I can't run this place alone. I'm not trying to be a hero anymore. I need backup, hiring support, tech fixes, and time off every other weekend, or I'm out.
Marcus, surprised but impressed, nods.
All right, let's build a new plan.
She starts delegating. Bryce takes over the schedule. Danica trains the new drivers. Tina finally starts using the coaching calendar she always meant to. 3 months later, the store isn't perfect, but Tina is upright, hydrated, and even smiling on a Tuesday. The whiteboard now reads,
Strong leaders don't just push, they protect their own peace.
She writes a note under it for her team.
You don't have to burn out to prove you care. Take care of you. We've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. You can also click here to watch another related video.